Hi, dear viewers. I'm very glad today. Do you know why? I'm going to meet my very cute friend after a long time. He's very colorful during our campus life. He had a very shiny personality in addition to his handsome appearance. But I was very shy and I was also very confused and worried about my very thin body. Once he invited me home, and we had a very tasty dinner. And after that, we had very funny games. Hi, dear viewers, and you must have noted when I said this story, I have used very many times. That is very glad, very cute, very colorful, and very shiny, like that. See, when we use the word very many times, you must have noted that this repetition makes our speech or writing boring. And also, we will not use some good vocabulary. So today, let's just try to replace the words with very, and let's see what is the drastic change or the beautiful change happens in your writing. Okay, look at the first one. I said, I'm very glad today. And the very glad can be replaced with a beautiful word called overjoyed. See, if I say, I'm very glad today, and if I replace it with, I'm overjoyed today. See, look at that, such a beautiful word. Look at the next one. I'm going to meet my very cute friend. I'm going to meet my very cute friend. So, very cute can be replaced with adorable. The beautiful. How can you replace it? I'm going to meet my adorable friend. See, beautiful, right? Again, he was very colorful during our campus life. He was very colorful. So, very colorful can be replaced with another beautiful word called vibrant. So, he was very colorful, can be replaced. He was very vibrant during his campus life. During my friend had a very shiny personality, very shiny. So, very shiny can be replaced with another beautiful word called gleaming. So, my friend had a gleaming personality, right? I was very shy, can be replaced with timid, right? But I was timid. Then look at the next one. I was very worried and confused. I was very worried. Very worried can be replaced with distressed. I was distressed and very confused, perplexed. See, two beautiful words. I was distressed and perplexed about my thin body. Thin body and very thin. Very thin is gaunt. Gaunt. Being very wise is very wise, no? So very wise can be replaced with the word sagacious. Being a sagacious person, that means a very wise person, right? My friend used to scold me for my very slow speech, very slow, sluggish. And once my friend invited me home to have a very tasty dinner, very tasty, delicious, right? So we can replace it with delicious. And we had some very funny games. So very funny can be replaced with hilarious. Hilarious. So, dear friends, I hope you must have understood the magical difference or magical change that can occur when you replace the words or when you avoid words with very, right? So try to avoid the words with very and improve your vocabulary. Hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it for others. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.